What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown, powered by PickFu. Johnny with PickFu here. Before we get a chance to look at what is that, new segment here where we're recapping from the previous video, ran the PickFu on it. In the previous video, we were taking a look at some blue hair dye from Xmondo. If you were shopping on Amazon for blue hair dye, which product would compel you to click on and why? Overtone is the winner. It is 50-50. I will tell you why they chose it is because they did a great job of showing off the dye behind the jar, dye behind the jar, dye behind the jar, dye behind the jar. Now, they did agree that Xmondo had a better label, better color scheme. So what does that tell us? That tells us that if Xmondo was to do the color smear behind, they would capture more of that market share. So that's the power of PickFu. But let's get into the video today. What are we looking at? What is this? What is this? I really don't know what is it. If this wasn't a China Direct brand, I do not know what is. Well, there you go, folks. That's exactly what it is. And they just put their company name right on the box over here. Big Boxeroni and cheese. Okay, it's an incense holder. Natural marble, Japanese bowl burner for sticks, meditation enthusiasts, yoga enthusiasts. Okay, so we have a box. It's great that they have a box, but the box doesn't say anything that we know. That's the brand, but it's not saying more of what we need to know. We need to say CTR wording directly on it, what it is, how it's going to help them, what's it good for, all that kind of jazz. So here, package includes marble incense holder, 4.72 inches, okay. A lot of specs, very kind of manufacturer direct specs. A good image, but no typography over here saying who it's going to be used for. So we talked about meditation and yoga enthusiasts. So where are those folks? Suitable for burning all kinds of incense. So this. Okay. This looks really tall. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. But comb, I think it's cone. So typo here, typo there, typo police. So you want to make sure that you have the proper spelling of things. Another up close shot, which is a pretty good shot, but everything seems very sterile. We're not seeing it in environments. So now we see it in environment, and holy smokes, this looks like the largest incense stick I have ever seen. She looks super serious with her work and her notebook that is completely blank. So maybe she's just getting started. But yeah, this is not a great hero image talking. Sorry. This is not a good infographic, image stack image talking about how it's good for meditation and yoga enthusiasts. That's not a meditation or yoga enthusiast. Or maybe it is, and she's booking another client. But we want to see someone very zen, very breathing, doing yoga. I can't do yoga. And easy to clean. Well, can I put this in the dishwasher? That's the first thing people are going to ask. So let's take a look at the listing. Title's pretty short. It's for 17 bucks. But I get 4 pieces, it looks like. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. Elegant incense burner crafted with natural marble. Versatile. Easy to clean. Okay. Again, perfect for meditation and yoga, but we're not showing those people. Let's come down here. We got any brand story module? Nope. Amazon likes to hide them sometimes. All right. So come over here. See, this is Photoshop or Canva, but not really done well. This thing really looks tall, unless this is very, very small. But it's not showing any people. Every product is unique. So does that mean every one that I get looks different? Each of our inserts is unique. Okay. But that's not a selling point that everyone is unique. That means if I'm looking at this one and I like it and I get a different pattern, this image and this image kind of look the same. Suitable for burning all kinds of incense. Comb. Is it comb or is it? It has to be cone. That's the shape of a cone. I can't be wrong with that. Palo Santo. Okay. So we're seeing a guy working. This is 1,000,000,000% AI. I can tell in the background. That's not a real picture. That's being blurred out. This is an AI image. Okay. Now we have the yoga meditation enthusiast. And still looks very, very, very tall. So I don't think that's really the proper perspective and ratio. This lady looks happy and sleeping. I would not encourage people to fall asleep with incense burning right next to their face. That would be something I would not recommend to put out there. I would rather see something like, I would rather see something a little bit different, right? So I'd rather see yoga woman. Let's put yoga woman. So photos. This is the kind of thing you want to show. You know, this is the kind of thing you want to show. I don't know, maybe the one that has it right here that you can very easily swap out your product for this one. I mean, it really doesn't get any easier than this. And that's it. It's gone. Then I could go and I could put my product in there. See how easy it is? It's super simple. I could go back to the listing over here. I can grab this product. A better version of it. Hold on. I can grab this. I could say cool. Go back into Canva, drop Aroni and cheese. Let it load. Crank that soldier boy. It's getting bananas now. It's getting bananas now that we can't be on the up and up with this kind of stuff. Right? Obviously, you want to fix it up a little bit with the shadows and all that other kind of stuff, like make it look a little bit more natural. But there's no reason why you shouldn't be doing this kind of stuff. Versus Susie sitting next to her bed about to light herself on fire. Don't do that. We don't want to do that. We want everyone to be safe that buys our products. So what did I do? Well, I fixed it. So I went ahead and deleted the brand name because it's not really relevant. And I put Marble Bowl Incense Holder Set because it's coming in 4 pieces. I put a little meditation person. Perfect for incense sticks, sage, Palo Santo, and more. This is very, very clear. This, when you zoom out over here, you can still see it. When you zoom out over here, you can still kind of see it. So the idea here is if we go to the SERP and we type in incense bowl burner, right? There they are. They're paying for sponsoring, but is it clear? Right? And we're asking for more than what these guys are, and it looks to be the same thing. So we'd want to double down on the fact that we have packaging over there to say exactly what it is, because no one's showing it. No one's doing this tactic. So this is a great way for you to steal market share with something you already have over here, right? These guys are doing 900. You're doing 200. What's the big difference? They're showing a different angle. You can be taking advantage of the real estate over here. But as you guys know, I am going to do PickFu in the next video, probably between this one, and see what people are really thinking, or another one like that. But as always, guys, if you like what you heard today and you're like, oh, that's great. I don't have time. I don't have the skill set. I don't have Canva, even though it's super easy. I don't want to. Don't worry. Team here at PickFu has you totally covered A to Z, and not the bad A to Z. You're thinking about like an A to Z claim. I know sometimes when people hear A to Z, they think, oh my God. Nope. A through Z, the whole entire gamut. We're going to take care of it for you. You give us your ASIN. We do all the PickFu testing that's involved to iterate, do data-driven decisions with our team of PickFu CTR designers to deliver you the best main hero image that you need to get more clicks, get more sales. More sales means more profit means more pizza. We all love more pizza, don't we? Anyway, guys, that's all I have for today. Make sure to tune in tomorrow where you see the results from today's poll and something fresh and new. And if you guys have any comments about products that you want to see, drop a linkaroni in the comment-aroni and cheese. Drop a linker in ASIN, and I'll be happy to review it for you. We'll see you tomorrow.